Hi students, welcome to Vari Medical Academy. So உங்களுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒரு குட் நியூஸ். வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக இனிவரும் நாட்கள் டெய்லியும் ஒவ்வொரு டாபிக் நம்மளுடைய ஃபேக்கல்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் லைவ் வீடியோ ஸ்ட்ரீம் உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்க போறாங்க. Wish you all the best my dear future doctors. டாபிக் ஏதாவது கிளாரிட்டி வேணும் அப்படிங்கிற எந்த கண்டென்ட் ஆனாலும் கமெண்ட்ல தெரியப்படுத்துங்க. அதுக்குண்டான சொல்யூஷன் வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக கொடுக்க ரெடியா இருக்கும். இந்த மாதிரி வீடியோக்கள் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா மறக்காம லைக் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க.
My name is Mahanandi. I am a physics faculty working in Vari Medical Academy. Now I am explaining for the Coulomb force. What is the explanation of the Coulomb force? Coulomb force is they majorly depend on the charges. Charges is the two types. One is the positive charge and another one is the negative charges. One is the positive charge and another one is the negative charge. If you any two positive charges or two negative charges, one positive charges and one negative charges having time only, the Coulomb force is applicable. Means if you two are like charges or two are unlike charges, or one like charge, one unlike charges having also means Coulomb force is. These Coulomb force how they can formed means depend on the charges. If you take both are the positive charges or both are the negative charges, or one is the positive charge and another one is the negative charge also, it means force is applicable. These Coulomb force want means first Coulomb force is a representation of the capital F. Coulomb force is a scalar quantity or vector quantity, means Coulomb force is a vector quantity. Now what is the explanation of the Coulomb force? Means Coulomb force is the product of the 2-point charges or fixed, the product of the 2-point charges and is directly proportional to the Coulomb force. Now if you any two charges, point charges, here one is the plus q charge, same and another one point charges also plus q charge. These two charges in between of the distance is small, or choose what is the Coulomb force? Means the Coulomb force is directly proportional to the product of the 2-point charges. 2-point charges means what? Plus q and plus q. If you want me suppose q1 q2, the product means q1 into q2. Same, the Coulomb force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between of the two charges, 1 by r square. Once the Coulomb force is directly proportional to the product of the 2-point charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between of them charges. That is called a Coulomb force. Now this Coulomb force is the F is proportional of q1 q2 by r square. Here what is the proportionality constant? This proportionality constant is F equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square. This is the proportionality constant. 1 by 4 pi is the common. Epsilon naught, what is the epsilon naught meaning? Means epsilon naught means permittivity of free space. This is the epsilon naught. This epsilon naught value, what is the constant value? The constant value is the epsilon naught is equal to the 8.85 into 10 to the power of minus 12, and units is the coulomb square per Newton meter square. Now epsilon naught value is the 8.85 into 10 to the power of minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square. Suppose what is the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught? One by 4 pi epsilon naught constant value is the 9 into 10 power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is the units is equal to the 9 into 10 power 9, units is the Newton meter square per coulomb square. These are the fixed values, but if you any two charges in between of the any medium having, how to we can find out the coulomb force? Same forces or different forces, means force is different. Now this is the air, coulomb force in air means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square. If you suppose these two charges are in between medium having, means that time what happen, the coulomb forces. Same 1f medium is equal to the 1 by 4 pi epsilon into q1 q2 by r square. Here what is the epsilon? Epsilon is the permittivity of medium, permittivity of medium. If you any two charges in between any medium, that is glass or water or any one medium having, means that time the coulomb force F medium is equal to the 1 by 4 pi epsilon into q1 q2 by r square. But these relation, how to we will find out the changing of the epsilon? What is the relation between of the permittivity of free space and permittivity of medium? Means now relative permittivity or dielectric constant. Now dielectric constant or relative permittivity. How to representation of the dielectric constant or relative permittivity? K is the dielectric constant or relative permittivity, means epsilon r is equal to the epsilon by epsilon naught, means epsilon r equal to permittivity of medium by permittivity of free space. Epsilon is equal to the epsilon or epsilon naught or epsilon is equal to the k epsilon r is equal into epsilon naught. Now if you any two charges in between of the medium have means the Coulomb force, what happen means F medium is equal to the 1 by 4 pi epsilon is the permittivity of medium. Epsilon is the permittivity of medium is k epsilon naught into q1 q2 by r square. Now F medium is equal to the k common outside 1 by k 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square. Now 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square is the force of in air. F medium is equal to the F air by k. Here k is the dielectric constant. The relation between of the Coulomb force and the Coulomb force in between of the air and in between of the medium means the relation is the F medium is equal to F air by k. Now Coulomb force based one example. If you any one of the equilateral triangle having the equilateral triangular is charges of the corners kept Q charges having, these are the positive charges. These equilateral triangular at any one point of the Coulomb force finding how. Now equilateral triangular 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. Now at any one point of the Coulomb force. Now I am choosing this point. These equilateral triangular of these sides of the length is L, L, L. Now I am choosing here means both are the positive charges. Both are the positive charges means repel each other. This charge of the force direction is go to here F1. Suppose here force is the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge, the product of the two charges q into q by distance square L square. Now here and another charges is the q and q, both are the positive charges. These positive charge also repel each other. Now this is F2. Here same 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, the product of the two charges is q into q by distance square L square. Now here what is the net forces in between of these two forces means, now exactly these two in between only is passing to the F net. Now Coulomb forces of the first force F net, F equal F1 is equal to F2, because of the F1 and F2 both forces are same 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into q by L square. Now F equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into q by L square. Now same here the two forces F1 and F2 in between of the forces in between angle is the 60 degree angle. Now what is the net forces in between of the two forces means F net is equal to the formula generally root of f1 square plus f2 square plus 2f1 f2 cos theta. Here theta is the angle between of the two forces. Here theta how much means two forces in between an angle is the exactly 60 degree. F net is equal to the f1 square is equal to means what, f square plus f2 square is equal to means what, f square plus 2 f1 means f, f2 means f cos 60 degree. Now f net is equal to the f square plus f square 2f square plus 2f into f square cos 60 degree, cos 60 degree is equal to the 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 root of, here 2 cancel, f net is equal to the 2f square plus f square root of f net is equal to the 2f square plus f square 3f square root of, finally root 3f. Now f net is equal to the root 3 into f means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into q by L square, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by L square. These are the net forces of the equilateral triangular at any point, at any corner, top corner or bottom corner or equilateral triangular taken means the net force of the equilateral triangular is root 3 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into q by L square. Thank you for watching this video.